If you wake up tired every day, this might be why you open your eyes. And the first thing you feel isn't energy, it's weight. Your body feels heavy. Your head feels foggy. Your limbs move like they're pushing through wet cement. You slept. You went to bed on time. You even tried going to bed earlier. And yet, you wake up exhausted. You tell yourself, maybe I just need more sleep. But deep down, you know something else is going on. Because this isn't normal tiredness. This is the kind of exhaustion that sleep doesn't fix. And if that sounds familiar, it's not laziness. It's biology, and your body is trying to tell you something important. The real reason you're waking up drained, most people think fatigue, comes from not sleeping long enough. But the truth is, energy isn't created by sleep alone. It's created by what happens inside your body while you sleep. Think of sleep like plugging your phone into a charger. If the outlet is broken, it doesn't matter how long the phone stays plugged in, it won't recharge. Your body works the same way. 3 silent issues quietly drain your energy overnight, even when you're technically resting. 1. Poor oxygen delivery. You're sleeping, but your cells are suffocating. Your body needs oxygen to repair tissue, balance hormones, and restore energy. But stress, shallow breathing, and inflammation reduce how efficiently oxygen reaches your cells. When oxygen delivery drops, muscles don't recover. Brain fog increases. You wake up feeling heavy and unmotivated. It's why you can sleep 8 hours and still feel like you ran a marathon. If you wake up with a slight headache, dry mouth, or chest tightness, this is often why. Your body didn't rest. It struggled. 2. Blood sugar swings are stealing your energy. Late night snacks, sugary desserts, even healthy carbs at the wrong time. When blood sugar spikes before bed, your body releases insulin to bring it down. That spike can crash cycle, keeps your nervous system active when it should be powering down. The result, you fall asleep, but never reach deep, restorative sleep. Your body stays in a half-alert state, burning through energy instead of rebuilding it. By morning, your energy reserves are already depleted. That groggy, unmotivated feeling, that's your blood sugar still trying to stabilize. 3. Stress hormones are hijacking your sleep. This one is the biggest hidden culprit. When stress builds up from work, screens, emotional overload, or constant pressure, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol is meant to help you survive danger, not help you rest. But many people go to bed with cortisol still elevated. So instead of drifting into deep sleep, the body stays in watch mode. You may fall asleep fast, but you don't reach the deep stages where healing actually happens. That's why you wake up tired even after 7 to 8 hours. Your body never felt safe enough to fully rest. The small fixes that actually work. Here's the part most people skip. The small, boring changes that actually reset your energy. 1. Drink water before caffeine. Before coffee, drink a full glass of water. Dehydration thickens your blood, slows oxygen flow, and amplifies fatigue. This one habit alone helps many people feel noticeably more awake within days. 2. Get natural light within 10 minutes of waking. You don't need a workout, just daylight. It tells your brain, we're awake now. This resets your internal clock and improves nighttime sleep. 3. Eat protein early, even a small amount. Eggs, yogurt, nuts, stabilizes blood sugar and prevents that mid-morning crash. 4. Create one calm signal before bed. Dim lights, no phone for the last 20 minutes. Slow breathing. You're teaching your nervous system that it's safe to power down. These aren't drastic changes, but your body responds to consistency, not intensity. Here's the part most health advice misses. Sometimes exhaustion isn't physical, it's emotional. When you're always pushing, pleasing, worrying, or holding everything together, your body eventually pushes back. Fatigue becomes a language, a quiet way your body says, please slow down, please take care of me, please stop surviving and start restoring. You are not lazy, you are not broken, you are not weak. You are tired because you've been strong for too long without recovery. And the moment you start listening, really listening, your body begins to respond. If you wake up tired every day, don't shame yourself. Ask better questions. Support your body instead of fighting it. Start small. Stay consistent. Because when your body finally feels safe enough to rest, energy doesn't need to be forced. It returns naturally, and when it does, you'll remember what it feels like to wake up feeling like yourself again.